Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. He is a famous actor with a net worth of approximately $250 million. He has appeared in more or less 80 films so far. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Bruce Willis. Bruce Willis. Bruce Willis. Bruce Willis. Bruce Willis is known for his tough guy roles and memorable performances in action-packed movies. Some of his top films include Die Hard, The Sixth Sense, and Pulp Fiction. If you enjoyed learning about Bruce Willis, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.